Welcome back, young scientists. Are you ready to dive into the world of mind-blowing science experiments that will leave you in awe? Today, we're going to explore incredible experiments that are not only fun, but also educational. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover the secrets of science right before your eyes. Let's kick things off with our first experiment, the classic baking soda and vinegar volcano. Did you know that this simple reaction can create a mini volcanic eruption right in your own home? It's a surefire way to spark your curiosity and ignite your love for science. Fire's main content. 1. The next experiment on our list is the magical milk art. By adding just a few drops of food coloring to a dish of milk, and then placing a drop of dish soap in the center, you can create a mesmerizing, swirling effect that seems almost like magic. It's a perfect example of how everyday ingredients can come together to create something extraordinary. 2. Moving on, let's talk about the walking water experiment. By using just a few glasses, water, and some paper towels, you can create a stunning display of color as the water travels between the glasses, defying gravity right before your eyes. It's a hands-on way to learn about capillary action and the power of water molecules. Our third experiment is the homemade slime. Mixing together simple household items like glue, borax, and water can result in a stretchy, squishy substance that's sure to entertain and educate. Learn about polymers and non-Newtonian fluids as you stretch and pull your slime to your heart's content. 4. Up next, let's explore the power of static electricity with the balloon and rice experiment. By rubbing a balloon on your head and then holding it over a dish of rice, you can watch as the rice magically jumps up to stick to the balloon. It's a lesson in electrical charges and attraction that will leave you electrified. 5. Last but not least, we have the rainbow density column experiment. By layering different liquids of varying densities in a clear container, you can create a stunning rainbow effect that showcases the principles of density and buoyancy. It's a colorful way to see science in action. Shayat Utro. And there you have it. 5 mind-blowing science experiments that are sure to wow kids of all ages. We hope you enjoyed exploring the world of science with us today. Remember, science is all around us, waiting to be discovered and explored. So grab your lab coat and get ready to uncover the wonders of the world through these amazing experiments. Stay curious, stay creative, and keep experimenting.